a high-volume, specialized manufacturer of attachments for civil engineering machinery. Our factory is equipped with a complete line of advanced facilities, enabling high-volume custom production of excavator, loader, and bulldozer attachments. We maintain strict quality control at every stage and back our products with a comprehensive after-sales service system. Our one-on-one, dedicated support ensures every collaboration ends with a satisfied customer. If your machinery requires replacement attachments, feel free to reach out. We will get back to you promptly.